This Lattice guide provides a step-by-step process for integrating an AI model into a fused data product, making it essential for users looking to enhance their data analysis capabilities. By following the outlined steps, users can effectively configure access, select relevant input and output fields, and optimize their data products for better operational insights. After navigating to the pinboard, click on the Edit Data Product icon. On the Edit Data Product page, scroll down and select Continue Manually. Click Next, select Columns. Click Next, configure Access. Then, click the AI Models tab to view the available AI models. Add a suggested AI model to your data product by selecting the output fields. For this demo, we'll include all output fields columns. You will notice as you select each output, they will turn purple and have a tick next to them to highlight what outputs will be included. Once you have finished selecting the relevant output fields from the AI model, you will notice Lattice has automatically mapped the input columns based on the tables available in the fused data product. It is a good idea to validate that Copilot has mapped the inputs correctly. Do this by clicking on the drop-down next to each input. If Copilot has mapped incorrectly, you can change the selection to the correct column. Note: all input fields need to be mapped to a column that exists within the table or tables in your data product. Once you are happy with the AI model selections made, click the Preview Data tab. Now, click Load Preview to load and view a sample of your data product with the AI model outputs included. The loaded columns will appear in the display pane in purple, allowing you to differentiate between what was already in the data product and what has been produced as an output of the AI model. Check through the details displayed, and then once you're happy with your data product, scroll down and click Next, Preview, and Finalize. Then you can view another preview of your edited data product, edit the name and description, add tags, add helpful hints, edit ownership, department, and team, and determine data sensitivity. Once you are happy with your data product and all final changes are complete, click Update Data Product to publish your structured data product back to the pinboard. Once your data product is available on the pinboard, you can then query the data product from the pinboard to view a sample of the data, including the newly added AI model outputs. To watch further Lattice demo videos, subscribe to this channel, or learn more about Lattice at www.lattice.com.